Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. We have an impromptu episode here. We got some plumbing issues at the house. We've frickin' practically flooded the whole basement. I've been kind of dealing with this for a while. I have a 25-foot auger, drain auger, and that's pretty much clean, but I needed 50 feet to get out to the street. So I broke down. I've tried several other augers and snakes, and no luck. So we broke down, figured it's an investment in the house, and we got this. The RYOBI 18V hybrid. Now this is a 50-foot drum on here, right? Comes with a battery charger. I don't really care about that because it's a small battery. You also plug it in. You can replace the drum. And what I like about it, it has the adapters for the head to clean out the drains. Cleans out to a 3-inch drain here. Let's see that. So up to 3-inch pipe, and it has a quick connect tip, so I can put the different tips to cut out whether I got roots down there or whatever is clogging up my thing. The drum comes off, you can replace it. Let's see, 50 feet, it's 18 volt, weighs about 30 pounds. You know, I'm really excited. Let's crack it open, guys, and see how she works. It's funny too, I had to get the guys at the store to get the cherry picker to get this one down from the top, because the one on the floor, it was an open box item. I kind of peeled the tape back because you can tell it had been opened, and I looked inside of it and it was all dirty and nasty, even though it says do not return to the store right on the box. Alright, so right off the bat, we got some cardboard. You guys can see this is kind of hard to film. We got a AC adapter. Pretty large AC adapter. Make sure this thing sucks up some juice. Crappy standard travel charger, which I don't like. And it comes with an old, it's better be a 2 amp hour battery. Slap that on the charger. Alright, now for the pièce de résistance. I'm going to pull the whole thing out. Oh, boom! Alright, and then the only thing left in the box is the tips and the instructions and the other piece. So I watched a couple of reviews for this. There's really only like 2 reviews for this online. So hopefully I can help some of you guys out by doing this review. Yeah, she's a little heavy. About 30 pounds, it said, right? Alright, there's the main unit. Quick release tab here, pull the drum off. We got a drain plug right here. There's no moisture or water builds up in the drum itself. Now, I know this is kind of expensive. You guys are probably going to give me some shit for buying this and not buying something else, but you know, I'm in the RYOBI line, guys. The rigid one was like $5.99. And then the other one, what was the other reason why I didn't get the other one? I don't think it was long, it was only 25 foot. So it's hard to find a 50-foot one. Waterproof latch. Here. That's nice. Battery goes in here. We have the foot control, which allows it to spin, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Is either to feed it or to spin it, I can't remember. We have directions, the directional buttons on the front here. So we have off, forward, reverse, and this is the RPM. Let's check what the RPMs are. Comes with a tip, carrying handle. So if I'm reading this right, it goes from 30 to 360 RPMs. Yeah, see, here's all the different tips you guys can get for it. bulb tip, grease tip, spade tip, and the retrieving tool. So like this would really help. Yeah, greasy blocks, cut through all that nastiness. Nice. Alright, I'm excited. Let's get a battery in this and test her out. Got a fully charged up 3 amp hour HP battery. Sure it's off. Slap her in. Just like this. Guys, you gotta pull this back down and then it slides right into place. Guys, see that? Kind of hard to pull down. Right there, so you just have to line up like the key. There you go. Let's hit it, see what happens. Got a nice sturdy metal cage, I like that. Put on minimum and okay, I got it. Not bad. So you have to manually feed it down the drain, which is pretty common. Then this just controls the RPMs, and the foot pedal turns it on. See? Wow, that's gonna bust through some stuff, I tell you what. Holy crap. Alright guys, well there's a little unboxing. Inside here. Oh, it's for the AC adapter to put on there. You can strap up the AC adapter and lock it on the side just like so. That's my quick unboxing. This is the P4003K as in kilo 18-volt hybrid 50-foot drain auger kit. Let's go test it out.